In today's class, we will discuss about roller problems. In it, in the first question, 3 rollers are given. Okay. Here, first roller has the C center. The weight of this roller is Q. Q is given 200 lb, and A and B rollers also given. So here the radius is 6 inches each radius is, and this radius is also 6, means 3 symmetrical or same size rollers. Now here AB roller weight is, here it is W, here it is W. These two has the same value. The W is 100 lb, and here we are connecting these two with one string. AB is the string. So this length, AB length is given 16 inches. This is 16. Okay, and what is the length here? So let us take, this is some A point or E point like this. Here this is also the E point. Okay, AC length is this radius plus this radius. So for this radius is, for these two radius is 6 inches. For this also radius is 6 inches. Okay, so AC length is equal to 6 plus 6. AC length is 12. Similarly, BC length also 12 because it is symmetrical. Okay. Now here these two are resting on the 2 points, contact points D and E. Okay. Here what we have to find in it, we are tying the centers, okay, with one string, AB string. We need to find the force, capital S, in the string. Okay. Similarly, reactions at D and E points because of the weight of this roller on these two rollers. Okay. Find out these values: RD, reaction at D, RE, reaction at E, and tension in this string because of this load. Okay. So let us do here. First I will join ACB like this. I will get one triangle. Okay. Why I am joining means I want to find this angle, alpha angle. Okay, this angle, AC angle, similarly BC angle. It is symmetrical, that's why whatever angle this side is also same angle. Okay, and the total AB length is given. The string length is 16 inches. Okay, here we need to find the angle. This length, BC length or AC length, is radius of this plus radius of this, 6 plus 6. Okay, so this is also 12 inches. This is also 12 inches. Now how to find the angle? Just take the half of this triangle because it is symmetrical one. Take half part. So let us take, this is middle point is D point. I am taking this, I am joining here. Okay, I am taking this part here. Okay, this is 12, this is 8. We can apply cos because we know this value and this value. Cos alpha is equal to 8 by 12. You will get alpha is equal to, by using calculus, you will get this value, 48.189. Okay, and angle CAB or angle CBA, both are same, that is alpha, 48.18 degrees. Okay, why we are finding angle means we can apply free body diagram for this roller and for this roller and for this roller. Okay, so before solving all these reactions, first take the top roller, whatever it is, first roller, take that roller. Which is the first roller? C center is the first roller. Now draw the FBD for this diagram. So here what are the forces here? Q, it is weight at the C center, and then reaction because of this roller, RAC in this direction, RBC in this direction. Okay, so my first mark C point like this. This is the C. Okay, now here we will get RAC is the reaction because of this roller. So we need to take RAC upward direction. We are assuming RAC. So if you do like this, RAC. Now how much angle it is making? RAC, whatever angle we are doing, that is the RAC angle. What is angle? 48.18. So RAC is making with horizontal. RAC is making with horizontal 48.189. Similarly, the reaction because of this B roller RBC, okay, through center. So this is RBC. How much angle it is making with horizontal? Same alpha angle, 48.189. Okay, RBC is also making same angle with the horizontal. Okay, so here Q is the load. It is given 200 lb, this value. Now how many forces are there at the center? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 forces. We can apply Lami's theorem for this. For applying Lami's theorem, we need to find the total angle, okay, between two forces, any two forces. Here 48.18 plus this angle is 90. We will get 138.19. Similarly, this angle plus 90 means 138.19. 360 minus these two sum will give this third angle, 83.622. Okay. Now apply Lami's theorem. According to this theorem, one force divided by the sine of opposite angle. Okay. So here write down Lami's theorem. 200 divided by sine of 83.622 is equal to RAC divided by sine of opposite angle, means angle between another two forces, 138.189 is equal to RBC divided by sine of 189.189, 138.189. So equate these two, we will get RAC value. Equate these two, we will get RBC value. RAC and RBC, we got the same values. What are RAC, RBC values? RAC value means this reaction. RBC means this reaction. RBC. We are getting the same value because it is a symmetrical diagram. So whatever reaction here, the same reaction here also. So we got the same values here. Next is, take the next one. We have completed the reactions at these points. Now here we need to find the tension in S string and then RD value. So take this is free body diagram of this A center cylinder, okay, or rod. Now here do the diagram. A is the center. What are the forces acting at A point? Weight of this, how much W? LB, 100 LB. It is acting downward. Now I have marked a downward force. Similarly, here one string is there. S is acting. I am taking in this direction. We need to find that. So S is acting like this. I took, and then here with D point, okay, contact point, reaction is always perpendicular to the surface. This is RD. Surface is horizontal. Reactional force is making always 90 degrees. RD is in the vertical direction at A point. Now I have marked RD. Now what are the other forces here? At E point we took RAC, okay, on this roller. So similarly, according to Newton's third law, whatever reaction is acting because of this sphere or cylinder on this is equal to the same reaction acting on this cylinder. Okay, so this is C, this is A. RAC initially we are taking in upward direction, RAC. Same RAC is coming at this center, okay, according to Newton's third law. RAC value already we found. How much RAC we got? RAC is 134.16 lb. It is acting like this. How much angle it is making? 48.189. Already we did here. So same RAC is acting downward. Same RAC is acting downward. It is also, previously it is making in upward direction angle 48.19. Now it is, I am taking in downward direction with the same angle 48.189. Okay, how many forces are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So for we can't apply Lami's theorem. Lami's theorem is only for 3 forces. It has 4 forces. So what we had to do? We had to do resolution of forces diagram. Resolution of force diagram. What is the meaning of resolution of forces? In the graph, we had to mark x-axis and y-axis. We had to take all horizontal components and vertical components. Okay. First mark what are the horizontal components. Yes. So yes, already I did. And next vertical force W 100 lb, so mark that force, and RD upward direction. Okay, and this one completed, these three. And what is the next force? RAC. For inclined component, there are inclined force, there are two components. One is horizontal in this direction, one is vertical in this direction, because this reaction is in third Q. So horizontal is in this direction, vertical is in this direction. Previously also I told, for horizontal component apply cos, RAC cos 48.18 in this direction. Vertical is RAC sine this angle in this direction. So I did here. For horizontal component, RAC value is 134.16 cos this angle. Similarly, sin RAC sine of the given angle 134.16 sine of this angle 48.18. Okay, these are the all horizontal and vertical component in the resolution of forces diagram. Okay, now for equilibrium of all these concurrent forces at A point, we have to apply two conditions. Sigma FH is 0 and sigma FE is 0. Means all unbalanced horizontal forces should be 0 and all unbalanced vertical forces should be 0. Take the first one. Sigma FH is 0. So in this direction I will take positive, in this direction I will take negative. So first, what is the horizontal component here? S. S is positive. Okay, write down S here. And next horizontal component is here in this direction it is. Okay, 134.16 cos of 48.18 in this direction is negative, minus this cos component here is equal to 0. So S is equal to, we can take this entire term here. By using calci we got this value 89.45 lb. Okay, so this is the tension in the AB string. So this value we are taking the string here, we have to find the force or tension S in the string. AB is the string. Okay, so we did that value. Now apply the next condition. Sigma F is 0. All vertical unbalanced forces should be 0. What is the first vertical force? RD. So I took RD. Upward is positive, downward is negative. RD I took positive. Next two components, vertical components, are in the downward direction. Minus will come for downward. Minus 100. Minus 100. Minus of 134.16 sine of 48.18 is equal to 0. By using calci we can find RD here. We will get RD is equal to 200 lb. Okay, now this equation, in this equation we will get RD value, means reaction at the D point. So reaction at D point and reaction at E point are same because it is symmetrical one. Both cylinders has same radius. Both are touching the only one cylinder. So here whatever reaction at D point, the same reaction at E point also. Okay, so I am writing RD is equal to RE is equal to 200 lb. So here we have in the question, if you are checking, we have to find RD and RE values. We did here. Okay, so this is a solution for the given problem.